How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Here you want to search Facebook. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once that is done, next thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Here scroll down and tap on apps. Now a list of all the applications will be shown. Scroll through them and then find the option of Facebook. Now you want to tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. Now go ahead and launch open Facebook and check if that problem is fixed. If it is not, then what you want to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then scroll down and tap on help and support. Now tap report a problem. Tap on continue to report. Here tap on include. Now scroll down and select marketplace, select that. Here you want to type in that you are getting the error that says Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. You can record screen or upload a screenshot over here, then simply send this report. Now Facebook support team will check this issue and fix it for you. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.